Slime is a fun, stretchy toy that can lose its elasticity over time, but you can easily restore it. To make your slime softer and stretchier, knead in warm water or lotion until you achieve your desired consistency, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Begin by filling a bowl with warm water, dunk the slime for about 10 seconds, then remove it and place it on a clean surface. Knead the water into the slime by flattening and folding it until fully absorbed. If it's still hard, repeat the process with more water. You can also add a squirt of lotion to enhance its texture. Just knead it in thoroughly. Test the slime stretchiness, and if needed, add more lotion until it's perfect. Finally, remember to clean the surface used for kneading to keep things hygienic.